Hello and welcome to a video of Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the Wi-Fi mesh system Multy X to you, which can easily extend the Wi-Fi among 5,000 square feet in your home. All you need is one of these two boxes and your mobile phone. How this works, I show you in this video. More than 5,000 square feet of wireless in your home. That is no more dream. One of these boxes, the Multy X dual system, can bring Wi-Fi into the last corner of your home using two simple nodes. I will show you what is inside the box and how it's initially installed. Let's have a look in the box. In the double pack of the Multy X you find two nodes Multy X, including the power supply, an EU plug face, a UK plug face and a network cable, as well as the quick start guide and the warranty card. Inside the Multi Mini set you find a Multy X node and a Multi Mini, also with the power supply and the plug faces. So let's see how easy these devices are installable. We simply start with the power supply. There's a protection on the connection. You just remove it, then you choose your mains plug face and click it onto the device, and then you can easily install it on the back side of the device. There's a power connection as well as a three LAN connections and a WAN connection. This is marked with a globe, and there's also a USB connection. That's all for this device. We just put it in the mains and then you connect it from the WAN connection to your internet access device. Internet access device on LAN side. What happens now? The device is booting up and it starts to flash blue. While I would suggest you to switch off the wireless of your internet access device. Why? Because the simple wireless that we have in these internet access devices is just like an umbrella. It has one size fits all, means there's only a round wireless around this device. It has no specific antennas, so it won't be able to locate your clients. The Multy X is having 9 antennas, and it will also change diversity and the radiation to follow your clients in the wireless cell. That's the big difference, so switch off the wireless. While the Multi is booting, you can download the app. On the quick start guide you have the Multi app installed from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store. So when the first multi-node is connected to your internet and has started to blink in blue LED, you can use the app to install the device. First you have to set up a site, then you have to set up the name of the Multi and which Multi are you using. So this is the Multy X, and then the system automatically connects by Bluetooth to this node and installs the settings from your phone. That's done in about 4 minutes. If the installation does not work with your mobile phone, it could be that the device needs to be reset. So you simply take a tool, push the reset button on the back side and wait until the LED flashes red. After that the device is reset to factory default and you can start over again with your installation. Multy X offers different ways of connection to your internet access device. Normally this device is a router, means everything that is handled from the internet has to go through a firewall, and then the LAN of this device is forwarded to the Multi. But then the Multi must be in bridge mode. That means all the internet access IP addresses are copied from the internet access device to your multi. The other opportunity is to switch this device into a bridge and put all the internet access as a DMZ to the multi. Then the multi must be in NAT modus. NAT means network allocation table, so it forwards the ports to the devices that are connected on the LAN or on the wireless of the device. When the first node is installed, you already have about 170 square meters of wireless in your home. Then the app wants to install the second device, and you simply walk with your mobile phone to the distance where the app shows is the best position to install the second node. And for the second installation, you only need the node and the respective power supply. Switch it on, connect it to the mains, and then you can install the second node the same way like you do with the first. So if you install multiple nodes of multi, you can also use the 4 LAN ports to connect LAN clients that are cable oriented. And for example, your television or another computer can be installed directly to the node and uses the complete backbone system of the wireless mesh system.
Organic heißt auf Englisch organisch.
Das ist mir doch egal. So once you install the first multi, the application guides you to install the second one and also measures the wireless that is sent out by the first node so that you find the optimized position for the second one. The same happens with the third one, and you can also install a fourth one by using either 2 double packs of Multi X, or you can use Multi X double pack plus Multi Mini pack, and then the Multi Mini is the last satellite in the daisy chain that is installed in your home. And to be honest, with these 4 devices together, you reach more than 6,500 square feet of wireless. That's nearly the same as a storage location. So if you have several levels of your house, or you even want to go into the basement, then Multi X is the choice to have a good and stable wireless. The nodes among each other are connected with a backhaul system on the 5 GHz wireless, so you have a very fast connection within this multi-mesh system.
If the wireless is not strong enough between 2 nodes, you can also use a LAN cable connected from LAN to LAN at 2 nodes as a backbone.
Sometimes we receive a question how we can install the multi-nodes to the wall, because on the back side you can see there are 2 screw holes. Unfortunately, this device is not made to be built on the wall, because the diversity of the antennas is made that the devices are placed flat on the table. But sometimes you are not able to find a place where you have a table or something to put on. I have a tip for you. Just try to get these very strong magnets, which are available in different online stores, and then you can simply attach the magnets among the cell here on the bottom of the device, and then you can stick it easily on the ceiling, which means that is the same direction where it's installed, but you have more flexibility to put the device somewhere in a different location. For any question about our products or for multiple help, visit our support portal under support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help articles in different languages, as well as videos and our demonstration lab. If you like our unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.